Right, so this is completing the square when a is not 1. It's actually not too bad. If we've done completing the square when a is 1, so let's just take the cheat for that. We remember in both cases, we're only interested in the in this first part, and then once we've done all that, we just, in this case, with -1 after it. Um, so, but this is x squared plus bx as opposed to 3x squared plus whatever. So what we do is we simply take the 3 outside. So we go 3 and then x squared plus, and then 18x. 18 is luckily is divisible by 3, but even if it wasn't divisible by 3, we'd still be able to do something about it. So that's 6x. And then we go, and then -1, that just stays like that. And then we just complete the square of this bit here. Let's pause the video and I'll see if you can do that. Okay, so we end up with 3, and I will use square brackets because this stuff in here becomes x plus 3 all squared and then -9. Okay, so this stuff here, just use the highlighter, all of this stuff here becomes all of this. Just going to get rid of that because that colour's not quite accurate now. And then we've still got a minus the 1. So yeah, and then we're going to just expand this. I remember we're allowed to use something there, so we're just going to expand out this bit. So sort of semi-expand it out, I suppose. So 3x plus 3 all squared, and then we're going to minus 27. Okay, so this is 9 times 3, and then we're going to minus 1. So this 27 and 1 get combined to form 28. We're minusing 27 and minus another 28. So now we've got it in the right form. So there's our A, and that's our C. Well, actually, it's negative 28 is our C. And yeah, there's our B. So you can still use this in a very similar way as before. The minimum point is slightly different, I believe, maybe, but I can't remember how the turning point affects. But this is how to complete. You can still solve it. You can imagine how you would solve it. If this was equal to 0, we just add 28 to both sides. But then we'd have to divide by 3 before we square root both sides. Yeah. Okay, I'll just stop that.